Alligators in Washington? Never thought about it. But when Tommy's mother, a neighbor, asked me if I could check out the stormwater retention pond in the neighborhood, I had to take a mental step back. Tommy had apparently seen an alligator there. So, always up for an adventure, Tommy and I took a walk down the street to check it out. It was in there, Uncle Matt. I saw a bunch of bushes moving. Somehow, I had become Uncle Matt to all the neighborhood kids. Well, we looked closer, and I didn't see anything, so I flew my drone low over the pond for a closer look. Does look like that's where an alligator would hang out if it was there. I told Tommy I wanted to do some more investigations and would get back with him later that afternoon. As we were leaving, Tommy asked me, "Why is there a pond there, Uncle Matt?" Ah, I told myself, a teaching moment. I told him it's what's called a retention pond or stormwater pond. It was a lot like a dam. When it rains hard, it collects all the water rushing down the streets and into the lower areas to prevent neighborhoods and homes from flooding. Then it lets the water in the pond slowly drain away through a pipe or into the soil around the pond. Not all ponds look the same, but they all have the same basic purpose. They prevent flooding. I told him that some ponds can even tell you if the water is healthy. He exclaimed, "Uncle Matt, plants can't talk." I laughed and told him, "No, they can't talk to us like we're talking to each other, Tommy, but they can let us know how healthy the water is when they see what kind of plants are growing there and how healthy they look." Later that day, I met up with Tommy and his mother and told him, "Tommy, I don't think there's an alligator in the pond because the water just gets too darn cold in the winter." Alligators love lots of warmer water all year round, so most alligators in the U.S. live in places in the south and southeast like Florida and Louisiana.